We value your health. We cherish your smile. Your happiness is our ultimate accomplishment, and we believe in contributing towards it. Established in the year 1981, we are Canton Laboratories. Canton Laboratories prides itself to be the leading manufacturer of APIs and high-purity chemicals for pharma, food, and specialty chemical segments. Our journey of 40 years has paved a way from discovery to delivery. We are motivated to enrich the lives through our predominant presence in high-purity chemical market. India has established itself as a global manufacturing and research hub of the pharmaceuticals industry. A huge raw material base, skilled workforce, advanced research and development are supporting India's foothold in the world. Canton has carved a niche in both the local and global markets. We have the warehousing and distribution in India and the USA. And our newest site is established on a land area of 226,000 square feet in one of the richest and industrialized states of India, Gujarat. Frontline technology and highly qualified personnel ensure seamless functioning of our value chain. The plant has 2 manufacturing buildings with separate RM store in each, 10 well-segregated manufacturing blocks in 2 buildings, controlled areas, and FG store. The RM stores are equipped to conduct proper identification, inspection by QC, and dispensing of raw material is performed through RLAF system. The raw material store is well connected by covered passage with production area to avoid contamination. The raw materials is then transferred to the process area, and it is charged in the reaction tanks, where the entire process of reaction, removal of impurities and microfiltration is carried out, which is ultimately transferred to a reactor vessel where concentration and crystallization is conducted under vacuum with agitation. The crystallized material from the reactor is directly unloaded to the centrifuge machine in a controlled area, which is well equipped with the best-in-class machines, with separate rooms for drying and blending. After drying, the material is transferred to a blender without any physical contact with the means of vacuum suction. After blending, the material is vacuum transferred to drums with the help of silo and magnetic grill, where it is weighed as per customer's requirement. Then the drums are packed, sealed, labeled, and transferred to finished goods area through the control area and airlock. The primary and secondary packing materials are stored in separate packing material store. Amidst all these facilities stands out our high-tech microbiology laboratory. The lab has an LAF room, media preparation, as well as media destruction room, and an isolated room for incubation process. Complying with GLP guidelines, the lab is equipped with wet chemistry analysis and instrumentation room. QC is headed by well-qualified and experienced people and supported by well-trained and experienced analysts to carry out the analysis accurately and efficiently. Ultimately, retained samples from every batch are stored with due care. As per ICH guidelines, a separate stability area is established with 4 stability chambers. Stability study is conducted for all the validation batches, and product-wise, 1 batch per year through online data capturing by CFR-compliant software. We are committed to follow the ICH guidelines and rules pertaining to the generation of processed water, as it's one of the major ingredients and the only solvent used in our manufacturing process. The source water is passed into sand filter and activated charcoal filters. It is then passed through RO1 plant and stored in SS tank. Then it is passed through RO2 mixed, bed and transferred to SS storage tank, through which it is further distributed to plant in continuous circulation with defined velocity through UV light and loop system, which is sanitized at fixed intervals. Other statutory requirements for hazardous waste management, such as scrubbers to scrub the gas emission from reaction, effluents given primary treatment which are transferred to common ETP, EICL for secondary treatment. Boiler and chimney are installed as per Boiler Act. Other utilities such as AHU and HVAC, cooling tower and vacuum ejector are installed. We care about the environment, so we have planted greenery to all the surrounding vicinity. All these facilities are monitored by experienced and well-trained employees. After all, competitive markets are characterized by nothing else but excellence. But that's not all. Time and again, our operations are inspected, certified, and approved by the authorities. The uncompromised quality of our products defines Canton as the alert, aware, and responsible player of the game. With our exports to 54 countries, including the USA and Europe, we are the name to reckon with, trust and accountability for our global customers. Our consistent hard work and unfailing performance gained trust of our clients worldwide, and this has resulted in expressing our advancement. Our products are used in various sectors such as pharmaceuticals, food, animal healthcare, specialty chemical, cosmetics, reagents, etc. To stay well connected with the ever-growing industry and to meet our clients, we regularly participate in various industry exhibitions across the globe. All the way along, we have evolved to stay in tune with the needs of this ever-growing industry. What remains constant are our core values. We are Canton Laboratories, where quality is the essence.